Hey everyone, it's DivenDerp, DivenDucky, whatever you want to call me. I am back again for a real quick video, more or less by request, about how to set up a switch to a programming board that then lets you toggle on and off other things. In this case, we're going to use my fuel script, and let's get to it. Okay, so I got my ship here. On my ship, I have my chair. If you can see, I have that's the Lua for my fuel HUD, or not fuel HUD, fuel screen script. Up here, I have my various programming boards and other things. There's a switch. That one should be the board that we need. There's the relay. And I haven't really practiced. I had hooked it all, but I haven't practiced putting them together. So this is going to be me doing this raw after doing this like earlier this year and then never doing it again. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we need to hook up the switch to the chair. So go from the chair to the switch. Boom. If I go here, it should already be named because I didn't mean to get into it. Oops. I meant to go into the Lua things. Yeah, so that's your switch there. Now if I go into system, and on action start 9, the code's already there. I called it switch. This switch is set to toggle, which basically turns it on or off. And so for me, option 9 is Alt 9. I believe that's the default. So if I get in my chair, I should be able to, won't do anything to the screen, per se, but I should be able to just hit Alt 9, yeah, nothing's crashing, perfect, okay, and then from there, I believe we go to the relay, let's see, and then from the relay, we go to the board, and we go to the screen, I think. Okay, here we go. And if I get the chair and turn on, and I hit Alt 9, bam! The screen comes on, it pre-populates. I can select it and do everything. Filter. So there we go. I hit Alt 9 again. Bam, it's away. Bam, it's gone. Bam, it's away. Bam, it's gone. You know, that's pretty much it. Yeah. I think it is actually everything. There are some other... Oops. Look at the screen. Some other things you can do. You could... This is the script for that board. I could go here to its library on start. And it should be attached to the screen. I'm not sure which one's which. Yeah. Maybe we can't do this so easily because this one's very generic and lets you do it in any order. But there probably is a way to let you just basically toggle the screen on via this board as opposed to a direct relay link if you wanted to do that. But it would take a little bit of tinkering more than I'm going to do right now. But yeah, so it's just from the chair to the switch, and then name the element whatever you want. In my case, I call it switch. From the switch to the relay, from the relay to the board, and to the screen. And that just gives you... this guy here, and again, Alt 9, Alt 9, Alt 9, Alt 9. I felt like the video should be longer. All my videos are at least a little bit longer, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That was a lot simpler than I thought it'd be. I figured I'd screw it up or something. And if I deactivate this and activate it again, I should be able to, yeah, even if I'm out of chair, I should be able to just kind of manually turn this stuff on and off. Yeah. Perfect. Well, that's it. I guess I will see all y'all later.